Wanted to take a moment and take a look at the HBAR larger time frame chart in this update. We'll then also take a look at the micro patterns afterwards, but it's always important to understand the bigger picture. Now, the HBAR chart has performed quite well, better than many other charts in this cycle, you could say, that started in January 23 for HBAR, this rally. But it was a very, very choppy rally from the start, and I never treated it as an upside impulse. So we treated it either as a corrective rally or a diagonal pattern. It looks more and more as if the B wave has indeed topped there and we could move down in a C wave. However, there is still a chance for a larger B wave, which is why on the smaller time frame, I give the chart a chance and I'm tracking a 1-2 setup from the low on the 10th of October. But it's important to understand that this 1-2 setup is really low. I mean, I don't want to say it's a low likelihood. That's not exactly true. It is, we just simply cannot fully trust it because it's unclear where the actual low was, because on different exchanges, we have different price lows, different price extremes on the 10th of October, which makes the entire structure somewhat questionable and speculative, okay? Therefore, I said to you in the update a couple of days ago, there's a video I uploaded a couple of days ago, or an update on Discord. I highlighted that the move to the downside is still unfolding on the local level. You know, that's why we do the work every single day. On the smaller time frame, we track the bigger picture for context. Here, obviously, we don't really have a long-term uptrend. Yeah, it's kind of a speculative scenario, but that C wave can still play out. But we need the smaller time frame to understand if the market has already started to turn around, if the market has found support. Because the pattern that developed after the 10th of October low, it is really speculative. Yeah, we don't know exactly where the actual price extreme was.